Shocking new report reveals a disturbing trend in support of political violence. Researchers found a significant number of Americans who identify as left of center support deadly violence against President Trump and Elon Musk. The National News Desk, Jeff Harris, joining us to discuss. Jeff, to assess support for political violence, the survey looked at over 1,200 U.S. residents. Tell us more about the results.
The Network Contagion Research Institute, DD, surveyed residents balanced to reflect census data, including political identity. The results found support for political violence against President Trump and Elon Musk is growing, specifically within segments of the U.S. public. Stanley Schwartz, a history professor, tells us violence has a long history in American democracy, but it was still striking to read through this report.
I was dismayed and saddened to see those results.
To assess support for political violence, all 1,264 people surveyed by NCRI were asked to classify their political ideology. The survey defining left of center as those who chose far left, liberal, and slightly liberal. The results among that group reflecting assassination culture appears to be emerging.
A lot of folks on the left are probably feeling a sense of hopelessness or despair following the election loss.
Let's take a look at some of the numbers. Some 38% of total respondents said it would be somewhat justified to murder President Trump. Also 31% saying the exact same thing about Elon Musk. But for those self-identifying in that left group, those numbers grew to 48% and then also 55% respectively.
People are feeling an era of authoritarianism, not an era of persuasion, of calm negotiation.
Daryl Paulson, who specializes in political parties and elections, tells us there used to be rules in how you conducted politics, but those rules don't exist anymore.
Those rules of the games have been thrown out, and it's every man for himself.
But if that doesn't change and the violence continues, he believes results like this survey found will only continue.
And unless we can get by this, we're in for a very long, difficult stretch in American politics.
Now, the survey also looked at support for destroying Teslas. 39% of all respondents said it is partially acceptable, and then also 57% of those left of center saying the exact same thing. Reporting for the National News Desk, I'm Jeff Harris.